it's not. So it's as if the starter's hooked up improper. Or maybe this fucking I don't know, this ain't OEM. Use 30 amp fuse in here, that's perfectly fine. But so I fixed the short, and now idea how it got in this state, but I gotta figure it out. I can put everything back together and try and start this up. And it's something like a fuse or a relay. That's step one out of the way. Old ass hose. Maybe the engine is just. No way! We'll give it some gas. Put some fucking respect on my name. See that? Thick as hell. I see the brand new pistons. Oh shit, I should have probably. Oh, look at this dumbass, bro. He didn't get nothing right. He didn't do this. At the dealership, just picked up the brand new crate motor. Hell yeah, bro. Alright, took off the fucking cylinder head. Let the gasket on. Alright, we have the ARP